Hello and welcome. In this training series, we'll show you how to build, configure, and operate your Mirackle LED video wall to provide a high-quality experience at your next event. First, let's understand a little bit more about your Mirackle LED video wall system. Mirackle LED panels are modular cabinets that are easily assembled into a seamless video wall and offer a variety of panel configurations for indoor or outdoor applications. When you're choosing a panel for your installation, be sure to consider your viewing environment. The overall size, brightness, and optimal viewing distance for your video wall will depend on the type of panel that you select. Each cabinet is assembled using replaceable hardware components and is covered by a 3-year warranty. In the next few videos, we'll walk you through the physical installation and software configuration of your video wall. If you have any questions or concerns about your installation, be sure to give us a call for remote and over-the-phone technical support. Let's get started.